Okay, in this video I'm going to talk about how to replace these windshield washer spray nozzles on a Honda CRV 2003. So this is Larry at LarryRicker.com, and if you like this video, click on like below, and you can subscribe to my channel. Please check my apps out in the Apple App Store. They include Project Organizer, Project Organizer Pro, Job Hunt, Job Hunt Pro, Class Organizer, Class Organizer Pro, and Student Organizer Pro apps. So to get started, I'm going to start picking away at this baseboard area. I'm going to take these grommets out, get access to the below here, and then using the picking tools, and then well, let's just get started. Okay, so those are just slide out grommets. Try to manage those, keep them in, don't lose them. Else you'll be going to the hardware store, to the auto parts store to get replacement parts. Again, a simple grommet. Okay, I'm going to grommet out. Okay. Oh, there we go. Okay. So we can pull it up this way. That'll help. Then got it out. So it does have a little bit of length of hose. Ouch. I'm either going to cut it or I'm going to cut my finger. Okay, so now we got it cut. Look at a generic replacement windshield wiper nozzles. Okay, so we're going to put this on here. And the way we do it is you take this screw, it goes on like that and screws onto the back of here. And then after you get it screwed in place, then you slide the hose over the end there. So we'll just put this through here, slide this up, twist on the screw on the back until that's in place. It's down snug. Okay, we get that down snug and tight. And we'll take the hose. It's loose, find the end, and shove that on the back end of that. Okay. Now I'll just put the pieces back together. Grommet, 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 grommet. Okay. So grommets are easy to put back. Just slide those in here, put that in here, and then that should make the inspection person happy, and the wife as well. I'm going to get some pliers to squeeze in these grommets.